cooking. Gonna make us some food now.
Tonight we are making pumpkin scones at the Bunganya Dreams. So first you need to chuck about, about that much. And you need to put about that much butter, that'll work. You need some sugar. How much sugar? Yeah, that'll do. Crack of salt. And a lady prepared some mashed pumpkin. Then you need to add a dollop of milk. Then you need to get some flour and chuck it there. Then you need to mix it with a fork. It's really good right now. You can start kneading. Get some more flour in. Now we're kneading it. All we need to do is flatten it out and put it into a cookie size dough shape. And always remember to keep your hands nice and full of flour, because you don't want it to get sticking into your hand and then you'll really ruin your pastry. So once it's about that thick, you can start cutting it into your little scones using a cookie cutter. What you do, make sure it's filled with flour. You just go down and cut it. And just make lots of these. Finish with your scones, you can put them straight into the camp oven. Yeah, so when you put them in the oven, you have to make sure that they're touching each other, because otherwise the end product won't be that good. Now we can put the scones into the oven and then put them into the coals. So you just want to put some hot coals onto the top to keep it nice and warm. And now you just want to keep it on there for about 8 to 12 minutes.
Oh.
I'm going to check them, and yep, they're good to go. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your butter and spray that on top. Hey Simon!
Yeah?
Try some of these, mate! Nope.
Crack-a-lackin'.
Pumpkin scones. Get a bit more flour. Oh, thank you.
Okay, stop for a minute. You're right, start whenever.
Crack-a-lackin'.
Pumpkin scones.
That is awesome.